Hi, in this video I shares with you 5 proven ways to make money online. There are endless ways you can use to make money online. Some will give you great returns while others will leave you working for pennies. If you are looking to make money online, here are the top 5 proven ways that you can consider. Webinar trainings. One of the ways you can make a significant amount of money online is through webinar training. A webinar is an online event held in real time. The people present are able to interact with each other and with the presenters by sending and receiving messages in real time. If you are an expert in a certain field, you can use webinars to train people who are interested in what you offer. To be successful in webinar training, it is important that you have a recognized online presence in your niche or area or expertise. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Start an online course. Another way to make money online is by starting your own online course. Courses present a good source of passive income. When you create a course, you can sell it for many years to come with little to no updates depending on the topic. It is easy to start a course and you can price it the way you want. According to Teachable.com, their instructors make upwards of $5,200 per month and most start making money immediately after launching their courses. People are wired to seek education and skills, therefore, if you have a good course that really delivers value, it becomes easy to build a 7-figure business with it. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the act of selling products owned by others for a commission. You can use affiliate networks such as ClickBank and others, or look for other online businesses and companies that have their own affiliate offers. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. You can easily make money with affiliate marketing if you have a blog with a good following. You can sell products or services that would interest your blog followers and make passive income without much effort. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell products through your site to people who are interested without having to deal with inventory or delivery of the same. It is also a great way to make money online without a lot of investment upfront. Become a freelancer. Finally, you can become a freelancer and engage in lucrative ventures such as content marketing, digital marketing and advertising, web analytics, web design, graphic design and others. All of these are freelancing careers that are scalable and able to bring in a decent amount of income. Many people have built million-dollar online business offering such services. Other good ways to make money online include starting a blog, becoming an online tutor, offering virtual assistant services and working with online business like Uber, Lyft and Amazon to offer driver and delivery services. If you are looking to make money online, the time to start is now. If you are lucky, you might make money immediately, but for most ventures, you will need time to gain traction and start making a decent income. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.